Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to add the WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. This is very easy to do, so without wasting any time, let's jump into it. First, go to your Shopify, and on the left panel, click on Add Apps. Then click on Shopify App Store. Once you're here in the search bar, type in WhatsApp button. Then these results will appear. You can choose anything here actually, but the one that I have tried so far is the Dondi WhatsApp button. And it actually works well, so I suggest that you use that as well. So just click on it. Then click on the Install button. Then click on Install once again. After that, this will appear, so just click on Add WhatsApp button. So you just have to enter your WhatsApp number here. Then select the size of the WhatsApp button that you want to appear in your store. It can be small, medium, large, extra large, or extra extra large. You can also choose which part of your store you want this app widget to appear. So let's just choose right here. But you can choose others, it's all up to you. You can also set a pre-filled message, but that is optional. And then set your availability and WhatsApp type. If you want more customized features, you can try their Pro plan, but if you're just starting, you can just use the basic features, which are not that bad. And they are completely free. Once you're done with all that, just click on Save. Let me just put my WhatsApp number here real quick. And once you click on Save, this will appear. So just click on Enable Widget. And when you're here on your store editor page, make sure that this WhatsApp widget is toggled on. When it is on, just click on Save. And that's it. Now let's check how it will look like on our store page. Just click on these three buttons on the top left and click on View. As you can see, this WhatsApp widget is now visible here. And there you have it. That's how you can simply add WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.